Hey, how would you like to see the 360 view from the top of Andea building? Hi, my name is Army. I'm a licensed broker here in the Philippines, specializing in condominiums for rent for sale within Taguig and nearby cities. So in a while, I'm going to tour you in this Sky Promenade or Sky Lounge or roof deck of Andea building. This is the first building of Alder Residences that is located in Acacia Estates, Taguig City. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, if you are looking for a licensed broker who can assist you in bank financing, in-house financing, or how to go through the turnover of Alder Residences, don't hesitate to contact me via Viber, WhatsApp, or email. Just note that there is consultation fee for this kind of transaction. Now let's go up to the roof deck or the Sky Promenade and be amazed on the 360 degrees breathtaking view of Acacia Estates, Taguig, and the whole of Metro Manila. Let's go! This is the roof deck. This is the roof deck of Andea.
High-rise building near the area. That's why.
Ito yung view.
360 Metro Manila and
This is Mahogany Place 3. So if you're a back view, this is what you will see. So it's still good even if you're not amenity view. So let's go around. So this is Manzuria. Manzuria. We are in the roof deck of Andea. Let's go to the other side. It's the roof deck. So there's stairs going down. Na, ganda no?
Take a picture of your cigarette.
Yeah. So this is still Manzuria. There's Oregon. Yan, this Oregon. This is Akin natin. Okay. That's Sylvan building. That's Sylvan. That's Oregon. Then there's Cedar Crest, Verawood. So all the green ones dito is part of Acacia Estates. The houses there are not part of Acacia. Then there's Cedar Crest. There's Save More. May Save More. There's Birchwood and Ivorywood. Tayo. This is Mahogany Place 3. So this is your view when you are facing the back. Okay. This is Mahogany tree. And then that will be M Residences. Yan, that's M Residences. This one is still MP3. The other side is M Residences. So let's check. Let's go round and round and round. Maganda yung view, in fairness. It's nice view. 360 degrees. Okay. Let's check here. Ay ko. It's so hot. Wait. Let's check it here on the other side. Okay. So this one is mahogany tree. The next one, the one in between is the perimeter wall. This is M Residences. Okay. And then here is Cedar Crest. Cedar Crest, and then Save More, then Tent, then Ivory Wood, there's Birchwood, there's Vera Wood, then there's Mulberry, Phase 2, that's Mulberry. Teka, close up. That's Mulberry, and then that's Maple, and then at the back is Royal Palm, and then at the back of Royal Palm is Rosewood. Then this will be the street going inside Alder Residences. So as of now, we still don't have a move-in permit or occupancy clearance. So those who have turned over their units, they can do renovations, but they cannot yet move in. So this is the roof deck. Thank you for watching. If you need assistance in bank financing, I'm still here to help. Message me through email, WhatsApp, or Viber. Bye.